Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to be bringing you this tutorial today because I'm going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Plants vs Brainrots. This is the easiest method to abuse admin commands and use the admin panel. Using a Plants vs Brainrots code, you can go ahead and unlock it for completely free. So before I start the tutorial, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am doing a huge Robux giveaway, and to enter it you simply need to like and subscribe. But anyway guys, this tutorial is going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Plants vs Brainrots Roblox. This is a brand new game and it is pretty popular already, so let's get into the video. As you can see here guys, I'm using my mobile phone for this process, so just go ahead and do the same. So grab your mobile phone and you've just got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you type it exactly like this into your mobile phone internet browser, cold coupons. It's going to bring you to this website guys. Now if you haven't seen this website before, you're in for a pleasant surprise because they have codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. So go to the search bar and in there just punch in Plants vs Brainrots, and this is the page you need to navigate your way to. As you can see guys, these codes have been used thousands of times already and they're being used today by hundreds of people. So let's scroll down and let's see what Plants vs Brainrots codes are available. You can get free VIP, you can get max server luck, you can get all secrets, and this is the code that I'm focusing on for this tutorial guys. This is a Plants vs Brainrots admin commands code. So this is a simple code that you can redeem in Plants vs Brainrots, and it is going to give you access to the admin panel, allowing you to spawn secrets. You can get max luck, you can unlock all plants and Brainrots, plus tons of other features as well. So you need to unlock your Plants vs Brainrots admin commands code, and the reason you need to do this guys is these are limited codes, so it stops people from taking all of the codes left. So click on this button here, blue button, follow the instructions on this page and it's going to unlock your code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from cold coupons. Now as you can see here guys, on this screen you're going to have a list of tasks that are free. As you can see, they're really easy things like installing mobile applications. There can be things like playing mobile games as well. You do just need to make sure you read the description and fully complete 2 tasks that you see on this page. And essentially guys, once you fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to cold coupons and your Plants vs Brainrots code will be unlocked and fully revealed in this box. You can redeem it, and that is going to give you access to the admin panel. And basically guys, that is how to get admin commands right now in Plants vs Brainrots Roblox. So simple method, 100% safe and working because it is just a working code that you enter in game. So head on over to cold coupons and go ahead and find this codes page here for Plants vs Brainrots Roblox and select the admin commands code. So hope you enjoyed the video guys. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe for that awesome Robux giveaway that I'm doing, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.